In 2018 alone, individuals spent $45 billion on watches. That's 1 to 3 units for each individual. In fact, a well-maintained mechanical movement can last for a minimum of 20 years. What would you do with your old watch? In here, we restore with new sets of components and innovative design, using the existing mechanical movement. Introducing TIMUS Watches, dedicated to restore sustainability and durability. Renewed and restored. This is your TIMUS watch. Now with TIMUS, you can enjoy infinite designs for a lifetime.
Years ago, we visualized building sustainability into watches. We noticed consumers would willingly replace a perfectly functional watch just to keep up with style, fashion, and trends.
Most people don't realize a watch design can be altered without replacing the entire movement. So we felt that it was time for us to step in and make a change. Hence, the birth of TIMUS.
With a TIMUS watch, you can have multiple designs throughout the watch lifetime with the original movement. We hope we have created something meaningful for you.
And now, we need your help to support us by backing us and sharing this video with everyone you know. Soon with your support, TIMUS will be able to start ticking.